Ecoline is known across Canada for high-quality windows and doors. But we also craft something that transforms homes from the inside, custom blinds, proudly designed and manufactured right here in Calgary. What makes Ecoline blinds different? Each component is carefully engineered for long-lasting performance, from reinforced brackets and smooth rolling systems to quiet motors with modern USB-C charging. These blinds are built to last and built for comfort. Our process starts with you, the customer. When you visit our showroom, our team helps you explore styles, fabrics, and features to find exactly what fits your space. Every blind is custom-made to order, tailored precisely to your measurements and design. Once the order is placed, it moves to our Calgary production facility. Here, precision matters. Automated cutting machines ensure every fabric is measured to the millimeter. Our technicians assemble each blind by hand, testing mechanisms, checking alignment, and inspecting every detail before it's packed. The result? Blinds that look beautiful, move smoothly, and perform flawlessly for years to come. At Ecoline, we believe in quality you can see and craftsmanship you can trust. From design to delivery, every step happens locally, ensuring consistent quality, faster turnaround, and exceptional service. Ecoline blinds designed, manufactured, and tested in Calgary, made with care, built to last.